Hey there, mushroom hunters. Today I'm diving into the magical world of Ceps, also known as porcini mushrooms. If you're in the UK and keen to fill your basket with these earthy treasures, you're in the right place. Let's kick things off with the best places to find Ceps. These beauties love to grow near certain types of trees. Look for oak, chestnut, beech and pine trees. They thrive in woodland areas where these trees are abundant. So head to those ancient forests or well-established woodlands. A few top spots include the New Forest, the Forest of Dean and Epping Forest. These locations are prime CP territory. Now, timing is everything. Ceps typically pop up from late summer to early autumn, peaking around September to October. They love warm, damp conditions. So after a good rain, when the forest floor is moist but not waterlogged, is ideal. Keep an eye out for those telltale signs. When you're out hunting, look for the distinctive brown cap and thick white stem. But remember, always double-check your finds with a good guidebook or app. Safety first, folks. All right, you've got your Ceps. Now let's talk about cooking these forest gems. Here's a simple, delicious recipe to make the most of your haul. First, clean your Ceps gently with a brush or damp cloth. Avoid washing them under running water as they can soak it up and become soggy. Slice them up and heat a pan with a generous knob of butter and a splash of olive oil. Add a couple of crushed garlic cloves and a handful of fresh thyme. Once the garlic is fragrant, toss in your Ceps slices. Cook them over medium heat until they're golden brown and tender. Season with salt and pepper to taste. For a perfect pairing, serve your Ceps on toasted sourdough bread. Drizzle with a bit of truffle oil if you're feeling fancy. Or mix them into a risotto for a hearty autumnal dish. And there you have it, the best spots to find Ceps in the UK, the ideal conditions, and a mouth-watering recipe to enjoy them. Happy hunting and happy eating. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own Cep hunting experiences in the comments below. Until next time, stay safe and enjoy the foraging adventures.